how to edit and change default product source on your store on Bigcommerce isn't quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit it and change it. First, open your browser, and now once you're here, click settings and then scroll down until you find search, and here we'll find default product source. Click on it and that's it. Select anything you want here, newest items or featured items or anything you want, and then click save. It will be saved, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.